Okay, so I'm going to be solving for the volume of this prism, and in order to do that you need to know the formula for volume, which is length times width times height. However, we're only given the width and the length. We're not given the height. In order to find the height, we have to do some trigonometry. We can either use the sine rule or SOHCAHTOA. Because this angle here is not given, I'm going to use the sine rule. However, we can easily find the angle by adding 90 degrees, 42, which is 132, and then subtracting that from 180. So this angle should be 48 degrees, but I'm still going to use the sine rule. So with the sine rule, I'm going to label this A. This is going to be B, and this over here will be C. So the opposite of A will be side little a, opposite of B will be side little b, C will be little c, and this is the length that we're trying to find. So the sine rule says that side A over sine angle A equals side B over sine angle B, which also equals C over sine C. So the two parts that I'm going to use are B and C because I don't have side A, and that will open up two variables, and we really only want one variable. So now I'm going to plug in my values. Small side B is 5.7 over angle B, which we found is 48, so that's sine 48, equals small c, which we don't know, that's what we're looking for, over sine c, which is 42 degrees, now we're going to do some math on our calculators to find sine 48 and sine 42. Then we're going to cross multiply and divide. After doing some math on the calculator, you should find that x equals 5.132. I say approximately because I rounded up to the nearest 1,000th. Another way that you can check to see if this is the right answer is to use SOHCAHTOA. You would use tangent 48 equals opposite 5.7 over adjacent, which is x, and you will get the same number. You can see here on the calculator. So now that we have our x value, even though we've done a lot of work, the problem is not solved. So to finally finish the problem, we're going to plug in our x value to the volume equation. So we'll have 8, which is the length, 5.7, which is the width, times 5.132, which is the height. Then we're going to multiply that. It should get us 234.033, and that is the volume, centimeters cubed, of this prism. You could also probably round it to 234 centimeters cubed. So congratulations, you solved this math problem.